right, so D equals 4x. So we're going to put that there. And then G equals 6x plus, or I'm sorry, 6x minus 100, right? Okay. If you were to use the Adams terminology, what would you say D is? Big. And what would G be? Small. And what do we know about that? Well, we know that big plus small equals 180. So I like to write it out. I don't know why. I mean, I could do this in my head practically because, you know, I'm such a gifted mathematician. But if I want to get the right answer, because I'm also a human being and I make mistakes, I love to write things out because it slows my brain down. And I have to think about it. So then I'm going to say 4x plus 6x minus 100 equals 180. Does that seem right? We're going to combine like terms. 4x plus 6x is 10x minus 100 equals, and that's degrees, 180 degrees. Now what do I do? Yep, we want to get x by itself. So I'm going to start moving stuff away from the x. I got to move the 100 first. 100 minus 100 is 0, so over here, a 0 plus 10x is just 10x. And this adds up to 280 degrees. Divide by 10, and I get 10, or what am I doing? X equals 28, right? And I'm putting degrees, it doesn't matter, right? So then remember that these should add up to 180. So I'm going to plug them in and then see if they add up. So my big angle should be 4 times 28. What's that? $112? 112 degrees. And then over here, I'm going to say 6 times 28 minus 100. It's 68, right? Yeah. What's 112 plus 68? 180. Now really what they really just wanted to know what the answer for E was. So now that we know what the big one is and now we know what the small one is, what would you say E is? Big or small? Big. And big equals big, so what's E? 112. See how that works? I'm trying not to yawn, but I'm tired. All right. Any questions?